This video explains how to convert the index of a pandas data frame to a new column of this pandas data frame. So without too much talk, let's dive into the Python code. In this video, I will show you an example, and for this example, we first need to import the pandas library, as you can see in the first line of code. And then we need to create an example data frame using the data frame constructor. So after running these lines of code, a new data frame called data is created, and we can print this data frame below the code box using the print function. And then you can see that our example data frame contains 5 rows and the 4 columns x1, x2, x3 and x4. Now let's assume that we want to convert the index values of this data frame to a new column in this data frame. Then we can apply the code that you can see in the next code box. So in the first line of this code box, I'm creating a copy of our data frame because I also want to keep an original version of our data frame. So after running this line of code, a new data frame called data new is created. And then in the next step, I'm creating a new column in this data frame, which is called index. And to this column, I'm assigning the index values of our data frame. And then I'm printing our data frame once again using the print function. So after running this line of code, you can see that we have created a new data frame, which contains the same columns as our input data frame. However, this time we have added an additional column to this data frame, which contains the index values. That's all I wanted to explain in this video. In case you want to learn more on this topic, you may check out my homepage, statisticsglobe.com, because on my homepage I have recently published a tutorial in which I'm explaining the content of this video in some more detail. I will put a link to this tutorial into the description of the video, so you can find it there. If you have liked this video or if you have any questions, let me know in the comments section below. I'll try to respond to all comments as soon as I can. Furthermore, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notified about future video releases. I have already published about 500 videos on this channel, and I'm releasing new videos on a daily basis. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next video.